Hiya folks, it's my mail call yet again. I went over the works the other week, and this was in the bin, and it works, but the cogs was gone. Hardly any teeth on it. They savaged them. They savaged them awfully. They savaged them awfully. Anyway, they threw it in the bin on the scrap pile. Well, I love the scrap pile. All the way from our beloved China Post. All the way from our beloved China, they sent me the two cogs. You've got the big cog and you've got the little cog. Look at that, look at that. I don't know if this camera will focus that, but beautiful, beautiful. Well done, Chinaman. So that and that, £3, £3, free shipping, all the way from China land. Well, you're not going to beat that, are you? Fair dues to the boys. You know me, I usually have a little moan about Chinamen and China products, but fair dues. It's here, and it looks half tidy. So let's whizzle this apart. Yes, I could have got a smaller screwdriver, but you know, you've got to use what comes to hand. Now, if I was an apprentice, I'd go all the way back to the storeroom to get a screwdriver, wouldn't I? 20-minute walk there, 20-minute walk back. There's the one cog. I don't know if you can freaking see that. There's hardly any teeth on it at all. I don't know, that camera's been playing up, so we gotta clean it off. If you can hear the noise, it's the dog just outside my door with his bloody bone. They got like 8 other rooms to choose, but they gotta go just outside the door by here. Right, I've got a clue if that comes off there. Yes, I have. There's a nut on it. So clean it off the best you can. I've got a pair of pliers, but let's see how I can hold that. These are not pliers, but they might just grab it. Right, the only way I could get that off was actually I just cut 2 sides flattening it so I can get a spanner on it. But it is a normal thread. It's not a left-handed. It's a normal everyday, and it comes straight off. It's all back together, greased up. And I got one disc cutter which cost me £3. So that's the way to get them off. There's no actually Woodruff key in it. It's a pure blank. It's a pure blank. Just the nut holds it on, so that nut must have been pretty tight. And that's it. That was part 1 of my mail call.